She asked me, Coach, can I learn how to do all this AI stuff if I'm older and I'm not tech savvy? My answer is always going to be yes.
Got it!
Now, ChatGPT is going to give you an answer based on the question that you ask. We're going to just literally ask it to do something for us, which is called a prompt. So write me an Instagram bio. I'm a farmer in Idaho and I specialize, if I can spell today, in fruit. Add a call to action. Then once I press enter, it's gonna go ahead and populate something for me. You'll see it right here on the side, and you can just type in the prompt that you want it to do for you. The more detailed you are, the better the answer is going to be. I want you to try it today. Try it first with your Instagram bio. Put I am a whatever you are. Write me an Instagram bio under 150 words, and I solve this problem, and let me know what you come up with.